Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
What role does the molecular interaction play in solution of alcohol and water? When we make a solution of alcohol in water, what exactly happens? The OH group in the alcohol molecule forms a very strong hydrogen bond with water molecule. For understanding, see, I take an alcohol molecule, that is methanol. So this is methanol molecule, and you can see two water molecules which stay very close to the alcohol molecule, just for understanding. Okay, now alcohol, methanol have a highly electronegative oxygen which can form hydrogen bond with the hydrogen of water, correct? Hope you understand. Similarly, there is a possibility of formation of hydrogen bond between this hydrogen of alcohol and oxygen of this water molecule. So it is very clear that between alcohol molecule and water molecule, strong hydrogen bond exists. At the same time, it contain what? It contain a non-polar alkyl group. Correct. What non-polar alkyl group will do? It will try to stay away from water. Correct, right? But the hydrogen bond established between water molecule and alcohol molecule are strong enough to overcome any disruptive effect from non-polar alkyl group present in alcohol, leading to complete miscibility. Now, what is the second point? Second point is dipole-dipole interaction. If you check both alcohol and water molecule, you can see that both contain OH group. Okay, due to that, both are polar. Both alcohol and water are polar molecules, correct? Due to the presence of OH. Now, between two polar molecules, we know what? Dipole-dipole attractions exist. So we can clearly say between alcohol molecule and water molecule, dipole-dipole attraction exists, so that, see, the solution will be further stabilized. Hope you understand. After mixing, hydrogen bond is established between alcohol and water, right? Between solute and solvent, right? But before mixing, very strong hydrogen bond exists between alcohol molecules. You can see these are alcohol molecules. Between alcohol molecules, very strong hydrogen bond exists. And also between water molecules also very strong hydrogen bond exists. So what we can say, before mixing, very strong hydrogen bond exists between solute molecules and solvent molecules. And that hydrogen bond is stronger than the hydrogen bond which is formed between the solute and solvent after mixing. So after mixing, a weaker bond is established between solute and solvent, right? If the new bond are weaker, if the new bond established between solute and solvent are weaker than the existing bond between solute molecules and solvent molecules, we can say that solution are not ideal solution. They are non-ideal solution which show positive deviation. Definitely, they have higher vapor pressure and lower boiling point. Correct, right? If the solution is showing positive deviation, then it have higher vapor pressure than we expected, right? And definitely their boiling point will be lower than the expected value. Hope you understand.